Education is changing. Students are changing. Where do they go for information? They no longer walk to the library and search through the stacks for their sources. They use Google. They use Wikipedia. They have everything they need right at their fingertips, just a click away. Or do they? Just because the information is there doesn't mean they know how to use it. So what is your job as a teacher? It's simple. Teach them. You teach them not only to read, write, and to analyze, but to find beauty and understanding in poetry. You teach them to multiply and divide, but also how to apply it to real-world problems. You teach them scales and theory, and you instill in them a love of music and an appreciation of culture. You teach them anatomy and chemistry, and you tell them that one day they could be the doctors to cure an incurable disease. You teach them to memorize the names and the dates, then you ask them what we can learn from studying our own history. You teach them grammar and pronunciation, and you share with them a language and a culture that is different and beautiful. Your job as a teacher is simple. You teach. Because you bring something to the classroom that they can't get on the internet. Because you have something to share. Tell me and I will forget. Show me and I may remember. Involve me and I will understand.